If the man is taking care of your girl, don't worry. I'm exactly what you're looking for. 1-800 Mr. Lover, dig that. Shut it! Are you looking for a man to make you lose control? I don't know when you need a friend will feel that cold. Be a life blanket when you're feeling cold. Girlfriend, this is your lucky day. They don't call me Mr. Lover cause I like ice cream. I am Mr. Lover cause I fulfill dreams. I last your man made you moan and scream. Girlfriend, this is your lucky day. Straight up right now. Ladies! Open up. Something new. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, there's a rough rider. Oh, stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, there's a rough rider. Oh, niggas wanna try, niggas wanna lie, they niggas wonder why, niggas wanna die. All I know is pain, all I feel is pain. Something new. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, there's a rough rider. Oh, stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, there's a rough rider.
You know me well, do me no mal, well, can't you tell? I'm just like a turtle crawling out of my shell. Girl, you got to be the body, put me under a spell. With your puss perfume, about the sweet smell. You're the young girl who can ring my bell, and I can take rejection. So you tell me go to well, I'm bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on my butt, says I'm Mr. Rowe. No one in such like nothing.
I see how you be staring at the braids on my dome. I see how you be checking out the ice on my chrome. I know you honey's gonna take a real man home. So hit me on my two-way and I put it on me now. Put it on
No more baby gonna suck like nothing.
everything I go and greater. Keep on carry everything I go and greater.
Bad man, all up on the trigger in a pussy and it's empty. Never the trigger putting in a skin quick at 20. Tunga the hand is a fancy, and was all right juicing a Frenchy. Their body feel the body drum feel the people them see. Tell me when the trigger in a boy head gonna empty. Never the trigger putting in a skin quick at 20. Tell them the hand is a fancy.
Yeah, man.
People them say me fi talk about that something else. Some of them sound boy a fi go man. Nah beg no sound friend no fi go man. Remember this to my son, he is a dead man. A Cortex again. Watch a style yeah. Every day some boy get up and a watch man sound like some big pussy girl them a chat man sound. A one thing me know who no can't get me down. Me a tell you this straight, this is a bad man sound. Them say that them a
Only me know no bother man, me tell them this them a visit. I want come by now with the fire spreading rapidly. Yeah, what they can represent for bother man sound, you know, you know. Let it go in the car with the kill sound, you know, go round. Walk this up, boy. Yeah, the man, we go to the whole of Portland. R&B everywhere. Batman has said,
All of the governor fight for one more. All of them wanna jump up, 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 up. All of the governor fight. You must see man. All of them wanna jump up, so you got to fight for one more. Fight for one more. You love some girl, now fight for one more. You get off for one more. So let it come up there, there. Well, you got money, you done it in the dog. Don't be what me say to you, girl.
Big up balls there.
I'm playing made a night of bitch represent to be a thing more by the soul. It's a thing on shape, it's a school job, it's a man. In the line, big like Baba.
So you play one song? I'm going to promote that me and talk to me. It's low here.
Play back, not to get literal, get off with and run slow. With that them thing to get it's good.
You know this, every little thing. This is close up and read for the party, man. Lift up the body as you come out of your friend there. It's a smoke and body smoke on the freedom. Rise in my thing called Run the Hood. Darren, I lost something here.
And definitely not sound boy good. We don't laugh with people. Rise in my
Well, I'm a love the sound and fuck here. And then if you try with it, love time me go on hungry if you buy a one speaker, here. Not free for talk dog.
money in them head on me just a pagum. If it was your black foot, put no try for the run. Put up
On link up, I say, boy, want to look money for the box step, you know.
the ends and
Oh, yes, sir.
bring come back the run. I'm not happy a yard. I'm the fuck of things. This is the way you want. Pussy a big dead, I want to do some fun. Oh, but the men will them go. Some boys are the big. Man, I the boss, who are they have to go some.
like that. That's something. Yo, go and play it for them ready. So. What about?
Mark up why we put my pen. He said, if I get you, he said, none of them cocky force and then none of them. Eat, and all the purpose, eat, and break the door. You niggas who can't even tell me. Well, like this, I'm fucking. She knows this, I'm back. So she love for me. She said, no matter the ring on my finger. She bless me, creator, as my girl, she love my number. She told me. Down on the hand, slow motion. Beat for your heart while in the motion. Inside where you give me smoke, no lotion. It make the wave them a rise up in a me ocean. You know place from far, you give me the ghost one. Another can wanna make the loving so strong. The time I remember you got the rose out. You see me wife, me feel your old man. Baby, me love the way you whine. You put a smile on me face, yeah, girl. Grab on for me body and brace, yeah, girl. Me love when you wind up your waist, yeah, girl. Baby, me never let you go. Him dead on you case, yeah, girl. Grab on for me body and brace, yeah, girl. Me love when you wind up your waist, yeah, girl. Me kind of clean and dead last room. Just show me. I remember my heavy. Boom, bop, you got me like a flat belly. You're my empty, me not done like credit. Walk for my things, can't say my big it. So move up, cause after me, I get a bit of time. I'ma know you wish I did nice, so I could have made.
Yo, I'm a brother party, but me and him can't agree. But listen, girl.
I do want me boom boom boom, but do dum dum. Love us me boom boom boom, but do dum dum. I'm out of me boom boom boom, but do dum dum. Try for me boom boom boom, but do dum dum.
A pool for the cup from for this.
Yo,
Yeah, that's done.
the bomb buckler wrong.
Yeah. So, I want to just go up and myself. Late the lacy, I want you there.
Yeah.
Roll out and say the cake, put on. I want you there, man.
Where's the cake in a more time?
Yeah, man, a long time ago, very feet something. See it. Right now, we reach ball plate stage.
Yo!
Yeah. Yo, Miller, come.
Where's the justice?
1-3. Let me break.
Justice.
Nobody make a bust this.
Justice.
Yeah.
Start time.
No, stop.
Gleaner.
Lincoln, yo.
Much bigger, much bigger.
Sorry, people. Brother, I really intend to blow your speakers still. I'm going to talk corners in there. Hear what me I say, no? Tonight, I the go-go master, the go-go blaster, the go-go everything. And that one, you know. Because of the host birthday party. So, you say Lincoln and Lacey, we don't have to do something special, you know. We don't have to come and do no MC, no nothing, you know, brother. So right now, I just walk out and say something, anything come out, I have to go on.
Anything else?
Mark Bryan, friend for life. Trust me. So, Lincoln, you how much today?
42.
56.
No, in a group, me a man say my 70 and the 10-year-old are you. So, me can't do maths, you know. So, I ask people if they do it for me. So, as the people, let me tell you this. You said that you never name Lincoln. I want to really see you when.
Hold on, no problem, me talk, I finish one of yours. Hear what me I say now? I want to really see. What?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, man, let's go and talk. We are going to pose in a minute.
Yeah, get to the practice, you know?
Get to the practice.
Get to the practice.
One day for engagement party.
No wonder,
One day for engagement party. I'll never talk too early. Don't talk too early.
We are just real.
Alright, you know me I say now. You see all the Lincoln friends in the house. Maximum respect for the turnout tonight, you know. Yeah. Let me hear the man that make a sound then. Yeah man, I saw you brother. When you want your hand fix, a tweeter fix, a speaker fix. A Lincoln. Yeah. And you what one? Me not go talk to the girls I'm at the proper fix you know, because me not go say it. Because it might cause a problem with my wife. You mind yourself, you know. You mind yourself. Some people may have said tonight, we're there so. We don't say curfew at 8, so we can't run the thing too late. So, we're going to do it.
Right now, she's nervous.
I don't know if you have a birthday. I jump, man.
Take a drink.
You see right now, when we look around my whole house tonight, one man would have nearly look like you know one pastor.
Real boss.
So you know, so we have a call for bless. That little something here before we started. Luke, now give me no talking, Luke. Just come over here so go and take the mic and say something. Come in, Luke. I alone in look like you're passing people. Go and take the mic. Take the talk of one Luke and just put that word to the Almighty. Yeah. Alright, listen me now. After 3, you have to slowly cut the gear. 1, 1.5, 3. Why? You don't know when you're slow? Backside star. Alright, lift it up again. Lift up the utensil again. Put it to the next side. And then you have a cut.
I know
stick it.
Cool them there early, you know.
Stick it, Lincoln. And I'll see if you stick it enough. Wait. After 3 again. 1, 1.5, 3. While you see what kind of vibrating style? Mercy, Lord. Alright, so you have one all you see. When you put out, you know. Yeah, man, the whole of you take up. All the way you cut, you take up. All of it, you take up. Every day you come here with the one style.
No relationship.
For splendor. That one little plate come. One little plate there? So Lacey here what go on now. You know that's something where you put one bird piece in a mouth and then you put one bird piece in a mouth. Check out the plate with the cake, Lacey. Lacey take out the cake with the plate. Put all eye up to your face. Put the whole eye up to your face. The whole eye cake. Put it up to your face, Lacey. Walk your mouth, boy. Boy, walk your mouth. Lacey, push the cake in your mouth.